Hey everyone, today we're comparing two popular image tools from Topaz Labs, Gigapixel 8 and Photo AI 3. Both make your photos bigger and better, but which one should you actually buy? Let's find out. First, what do these tools actually do? Both use AI to make small images larger without losing quality. Think of it like zooming in on a photo, but instead of getting blurry, it stays sharp. Photo AI 3 is like an all-in-one tool. It fixes noise, sharpens blurry shots, and makes images bigger. Gigapixel 8 focuses mainly on making images larger. Built specifically for upscaling. So, which one makes better images? Here's the truth. When you're working with good quality photos, they produce almost identical results. Seriously, you won't see much of a difference. But here's where it gets interesting. Photo AI 3 is way better with low quality or noisy images. It can clean up messy photos while making them bigger. Gigapixel 8 works great with clean images but struggles more with bad quality ones. Let's talk features. Photo AI 3 has an autopilot mode that automatically fixes your photos. It removes noise, sharpens focus, and upscales all at once. It's basically set it and forget it. Gigapixel 8 has more upscaling models to choose from, 5 different AI models for different types of images. Plus, it has special tools for recovering or restoring old photos and redefining for creative images. But these extra features are slow and eat up computing power. Speed-wise, they're pretty similar. Gigapixel 8 is slightly faster for basic upscaling, but Photo AI saves time overall because it does multiple things at once. Now, the price. Gigapixel 8 costs $99. Photo AI 3 costs $199. That's double the price. Why? Because Photo AI does more. It's 3 tools in one. Gigapixel is cheaper if you need only upscaling. So, which one should you buy? Get Photo AI 3 if you want an all-in-one solution that fixes and upscales photos automatically. Get Gigapixel 8 if you only need upscaling and want to save money. For most people, Photo AI 3 offers better value. Thanks for watching.